Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Warfield in southeastern British Columbia sits along the Columbia River, just west of the city of Trail. Surrounded by mountains and forest, it is a small community with a strong connection to industry and a quieter residential character. Its story is closely tied to the development of one of the most important metallurgical centers in Canada. Long before the arrival of settlers, this area was part of the traditional territory of the Kootenay Nation. The river and surrounding lands supported hunting, fishing, and travel, forming part of a larger network of routes used for generations. Like much of the region, these patterns changed with the arrival of mining and industry in the late 1800s. Warfield itself did not begin as a mining camp, but as a planned community. In the early 1900s, as the nearby smelting operations in Trail expanded, there was a need for housing for workers and their families. The site that would become Warfield was chosen for its location above the Columbia River, offering space for a residential area away from the industrial activity below. The smelter in Trail, operated by what would become Teck Resources, grew into one of the largest lead and zinc smelting operations in the world. As production increased, so did the workforce. Warfield developed alongside this growth, providing a stable and organized place for employees to live. Unlike many communities that formed quickly during resource booms, Warfield was carefully planned. Streets were laid out with intention, homes were built to accommodate families, and community spaces were included from the beginning. This gave Warfield a more structured and residential feel compared to nearby towns that had developed more rapidly during earlier mining rushes. By the mid-20th century, Warfield had established itself as a distinct village with its own identity, even while remaining closely connected to Trail. Schools, parks, and local services supported a growing population. The community became known for its stability, shaped by steady employment and a strong sense of local connection. The presence of the smelter also brought challenges. Industrial activity along the Columbia River raised concerns about environmental impact, particularly during the early and mid-1900s when regulations were limited. Over time, changes in technology and environmental standards led to improvements, reflecting a broader shift in how industrial operations were managed across Canada. Warfield's location offers a clear view of both its industrial and natural surroundings. The Columbia River continues to flow through the valley, while the nearby mountains provide a backdrop that changes with the seasons. This contrast between industry and landscape is a defining feature of the area. Today, Warfield remains a small but active community. Many residents continue to work in the nearby industrial facilities, while others are drawn to the area for its setting and quieter pace of life. The village maintains its residential character, with tree-lined streets and a strong sense of community. For visitors, Warfield offers a different perspective on the history of British Columbia. It is not a place built on a sudden boom, but one shaped by steady growth and long-term industry. Its story reflects how communities can develop alongside major economic forces, adapting over time while maintaining a distinct identity.
Thanks for watching!